Hello, my name is Manuela Pushkas. I am co-organizer and facilitator during the online meditation retreat happening September 25th to 27. I am a certified meditation instructor with World Peace Initiative since 2014, and I've been studying meditation, studying Eastern philosophy, and attending retreats for over 9 years. I believe the breath has a key role in meditation. In fact, I believe meditation starts in our bodies, contrary to the belief that we work primarily with our mind. So, learning to observe, learning to listen, learning to connect with our breath has amazing benefits on our health and well being. During the online meditation retreat, I will guide meditation and I will facilitate a session on how to use the breath for stress reduction. Why? Because I believe awareness, centering the mind with the breath, releasing with the breath, grounding ourselves with the breath is the exact opposite of stress and will attract the good things in life. We are all alive, we are all breathing, but are we really breathing to our fullest mental and physical capacity? Join online meditation retreat September 25th to 27 to experience a weekend-long series of workshops, meditations, and conscious movement.